Hey guys, it's Kyle Bennett with HardOCP.com, and today what we're unboxing and showing to you is the G933 Artemis Spectrum wireless headset from Logitech. We've been looking at a few different headsets lately, getting a little bit excited about those with some of the new gaming we've been doing. And this has been one of the models. This is not a new product by any stretch of the imagination. It's been out for a good while, but it's generally well talked about. It comes in kind of the middle end to being some of the less expensive headsets out. This one usually retails for $150. We saw it on sale yesterday at Best Buy for $50 off, so $99.99. And that was for both the wireless version and the wired version. So they had free next day shipping. And so we ordered it up and got here in less than a day. So we gotta love that. Thought we'd show you what's inside the box. So let's see what all features these guys talk about here. 7.1 surround sound. Of course, all this is not true 7.1 surround sound because you don't have enough room for 7 speakers there, or 8 rather. Show a whole bunch of different controllers on the box, cinematic gaming, etc., etc. So obviously, this is certainly a gaming headset. I like the way this is packaged. Easy open. Left one there at the top. So let's see how this all works out. Game with passion. Win with science. Well, I can't much disagree with that. So, looks like everything in here is nicely packed. Looks very nice. Let's see. Won't stand up on our desk the way the others will, but hey, it's got a nice good feel to them. I always thought these were kind of funky looking the way the headband is on these, but it is what it is. No creaking, no popping. Feel pretty good. The ear cups are nice and big, extend down around your ears. Microphone, there you go. It's nice and hidden in the channel right there, which is very, very cool. I like that. And then also this microphone, if I remember correctly, has a little extension and a little bend over. So you can stick it back inside, pop it back up there. In the back, we've got a multitude. There's our battery, in case we want to change that out at some time, which I know that's important to a lot of people. And that's actually magnetic as well, so that just actually, let me see, clips on there. And there is our USB dongle. So that's nice. That makes it easy to pack up, take it with you if you need to go. Nice one package. So these look like, in the same vein that Alienware did theirs, that you can pack these up real easy. Mic tucks away. Everything's where it should be. So we have a myriad of buttons back here. G3, G2, G1. I assume these are different sound settings. There's our mic mute button, and there is our volume control as well. Charging port, 3.51 audio port. Nothing over here, nothing over there. And obviously we'll be able to lay these flat on our neck, which we of course very much like. So let's see if there's anything left in the box. So let's open this up. Have our instructions there. So let's look at the cords real quick we get with this. So this is our 3.5 millimeter. It's got a mic control on it. This is a nice braided cord as well. Got a good feel to it. This is our USB. Oh wow, I really like this. Okay, so if you've got to plug this in while using it, this cable is very, very flexible. It's not stiff at all, and it actually has a soft feel to it as well. Check that out. That's really nice. So the extra cabling is supplied for PS4 and Xbox usage. We will not be testing them with that, and that's pretty neat too. So you've got these pass-throughs on here that allow you to use it and leave your other stereo system plugged in as well. Let's see if these come powered up. So we push the button forward. Complete with frag harder disco lights. So hey guys, this is the Logitech G933 Artemis Spectrum wireless 7.1 surround sound headset. We'll be giving these a try and letting you know how they turn out. This is Kyle Bennett with HardOCP.com.